In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in HoneyBook, Workspace Cleanup 2026. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a project in HoneyBook is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't undo it. So take a moment to make sure you no longer need the conversations, files or details inside that project. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and go to honeybook.com. This works on both desktop and laptop. If you're not already signed in, log into your HoneyBook account. Enter your credentials, and if you're prompted for security verification, like a code sent to your device, complete that right away to continue. This helps keep your account secure and ensures you can access your workspace without interruptions. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base in HoneyBook, where you can see recent activity and jump into different areas of your account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is where you'll find all the key sections you use most often. Click on Projects in that left-hand navigation. This opens the Projects area, where HoneyBook lists all of your projects. Here, you can scan through your active and past items. If you have a lot of projects, take a moment to locate the one you want to remove. Look for the exact project name so you don't accidentally select the wrong one. If your account shows search or sorting options, those can help you quickly narrow down what you're looking for. Once you've found the correct project in the list, move your cursor to that project's row and click the three dots icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. In that menu, you'll see the option to delete the project. When you select Delete, HoneyBook will show a confirmation message reminding you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Read that message carefully. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm to delete. That's it. The project will be removed from your list. If you don't immediately see the change, refresh the page to update your view. As a best practice, always double-check the project name before confirming, and consider whether you need any details saved elsewhere before you remove it. Keeping your projects area tidy makes it easier to focus on the work that matters and reduces clutter in your workspace. If you followed along, you've successfully deleted a project in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you're doing a workspace cleanup.